Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm getting into all things gut health, and I am here to tell you a full in-depth guide to how to heal your gut. Basically me telling you my story and how I was able to heal my gut and the things that I have been able to do. And before we get into that, of course, if you don't know me, my name is Brooklyn. I talk beauty, skincare, and wellness. And yeah, I need you on the channel. We are a vibe here and I would love to have you. So hit the subscribe button, make sure you like this video and share it with someone that you know. Okay, let's get into it. A little backstory on me when it comes to my gut health and some things that I have had to battle through. Listen, gut health has been a high concern for me for the past couple of years. I think when I was in my 20s, I'm in my 30s. I know it doesn't look like it, but I am in my 30s. But when I was in my 20s, gut health to me was like, non really existent. Like I've always kind of led a life that was healthy. You ask any of my friends, I'm the type of friend to be like, are you taking this? Are you taking that? Because I'm always dishing out advice. That's always been me. So I never really was eating really bad or anything like that. But like fast forward, time just moves on. Things change in your life, your body changes, your environment changes, and that's kind of what happened to me. I started getting into a more stressful situation and doing a lot more, and time was just moving, and just all of the things that I kind of was a little more carefree about became more of a stress and worry in my life, and I do believe was the cause of many different things, like my cortisol levels being extremely high. And so listen, I understand gut issues. I feel like I woke up and just started having these issues overnight. Clearly that's not how that works, but it feels that way. It feels like you go from being able to like eat a whole bag of hot Cheetos to your stomach hurting when you try to even eat a few. And not to say that I need to be eating those, it's just trying to paint a picture of what it feels like, what it looks like to me. You know, I used to just enjoy certain things that I don't enjoy anymore. I felt like I was just having some of the most hormonal issues, IBS, extreme bloating. I'm talking like, girl, am I pregnant? Like, why do I look pregnant? It's really not cute. I battled and struggled with that for a really long time, and I only wanted to figure out what the heck was going on, right? So of course, in going to a doctor, you get answers to things. And those of y'all that know me on this channel, I am not someone who always wants to go a certain route. I do enjoy more of a holistic route. I love natural herbs and things like that. So prefacing this again by saying, make sure you see a doctor, talk to someone. If you're feeling bad inside, those are signs. Don't ignore them. See your doctor. And I know that that's hard to hear, right? It's hard for anybody to hear because you never want it to come back that something is wrong with you, especially when you've led sort of a healthy life. But even the healthiest person needs help as well. But I'm gonna get into all the things that I did to help my gut, because I do feel like this can help you if you are just feeling hopeless, tired, at a loss, and just want some answers to something. Again, this is my story. This is what works for me, and these are just suggestions for you. Take it or leave it. So yeah, girl, I am someone who is on here to help the girlies. I'm helping the girlies get right, okay? I am that it girl coach that you didn't know that you needed, okay? And I help women be their highest best selves. I help women elevate. I help them level up. I help them feel good on the inside and the outside, be that it girl, that baddie, that boss babe that I know so many of you are. But there are just things that you are struggling with because by choice you have not decided that you no longer want to struggle with this anymore, and that you will do whatever it takes to get there. You have to have that type of mindset, okay? That's what it takes. When it comes to gut health and gut healing, it is no different. There are things that you are doing that you literally need to stop doing. You can't keep doing the same things and hope that magically one day your body's gonna say, you know what, girl, you're right. I will like this. Just for you, I'm going to allow me and you to become one. We're gonna love this food item today. No, babe, if your gut told you it doesn't like it, it doesn't like it. Stop eating it, cut it out. That's that on that part, okay? I've struggled with that. I've struggled with the idea of having to cut out coffee. I love lattes. I love caffeine. Like, I am a caffeine girl. I always have been. But the second I found out that that was part of the reason why my gut was so inflamed, because here I am waking up and opening my palate up to what? A cup of coffee, when I need to be opening it up with a glass of water and probably a supplement of some sort or a green juice or just something healthy. Like, I'm opening it up in a toxic way. And I'm not saying that like you can't have certain things, but in moderation. The first one I'm going to talk about is prebiotics and probiotics. This is a probiotic 200. This is going to help get the right bacteria into your body. Now, you have to be careful with both, right? You don't want to flush out so much of it because you need a balance here. So again, be careful. I know that in the beginning, my body actually didn't register with probiotics very well at all. It took me a while to find a good brand, a good one that my body actually does agree with. This is one of them. I don't take probiotics every single day. It's kind of like when I'm having those inflammatory issues come up, I'll start taking my probiotics, you know? So, and again, this is because of, for me, trial and error. I can't tell you, you know, how long you should take yours for, when you should take it. Like, these are things that you trial and error out, or of course, like I said earlier, like talk to a doctor about. Everything, of course, will be listed down below, so don't worry about that. So you could also get probiotics in a, of course, natural way. Cheese, yogurt, pickled veggies, things like that. So I do all of those things as well. That's why I don't always take like the supplement. But I wanted to show y'all a supplement option if for some of y'all it just really is hard to get into your system. I do recommend going for the natural way. Like, how can you get these things in your food? Next, I would say kombucha. I love kombucha. I love sour, just like bitter. Like, I love those type of drinks, and kombucha is so good for your health, right? I'm going to put up some of my favorite kombucha brands right here. These can be found at your favorite stores. Okay, this is not rocket science here. Get kombucha into your system. My favorite is ginger lemon. Anything with ginger, I love ginger. Okay, I like to put ginger in my juices, eat ginger on the side. I'll put ginger inside of a meal. Like, love ginger and love what ginger can do for the body, especially the gut, inflammation, all of those things. It is a powerful food that you guys should be getting into your system if you are able to stomach it. I know ginger's hard for a lot of people, but hey, maybe you try like a pickled ginger, like what you get at a sushi restaurant or something like that. So, and pickled things are very good for the gut lining. Next, I would say, for me personally, I would say green juice has helped me a whole lot. I am a green juice queen. The girlies who know me know that. Solely, I'm kind of like a green juice girly. I love other juices, but green juice is like, that's my girl, you know? I just feel like if I'm gonna drink juice, I want it to be the healthiest, and greens to me are the healthiest. Green juice helps to detoxify, it helps with inflammation, helps with the gut, digestion. Like, it's all going to help clean you out, and it's almost like it feels like a renewing of the body. Like, I literally feel like every single bad thing I ate for the week is being like pulled out of my gut and like tossed to the side. Like, we don't want her. Let's just get rid of that. Green juice is my cleanup crew, girl. She be getting me together all the way together. So if you are interested in getting into juicing, because I know a lot of people say juicing is too hard, it's too time consuming, I don't know what I'm doing. Totally understand. I have a full ebook that will be listed in the description box. This ebook comes with recipes, ingredients guide, a full plan if you are trying to drop some weight. I give you juicers, I give you different types, I give you options, I tell you what to pick up. It is like a 40-page ebook of just straight knowledge on how to become the best juicer you've ever been. Not even just that, how to do it in an easy, on-the-go way, because a lot of us live our lives on the go. We don't have time, and I get it, okay? That used to stop me from wanting to juice, okay? But now I have found and made it easy for myself. I talk about batch juicing and how to do that, and how to be successful in doing that, so you can be consistent, so you can see these great results like clear skin, maybe weight loss, better gut health, your energy levels being so high. These are all things that juicing can do for you. So I have a full ebook guide that will show you how to do all of that. Pick that up in the description box. I'm telling you, it will not disappoint you. An investment in your health will go super, super far. Like, investment now or hospital bills later. Which one do you want, sis? Which one do you want? Once I started juicing, I saw that my gut health was just coming back around. I stopped waking up looking 5 months pregnant. And I just felt so much better. The energy levels I have when I drink juice, of course, like, it clears my skin up. People are always asking me about my skin. Juicing. That's the number one thing I tell people before anything else. Clean up your diet, clear your gut, heal your gut. It will thank you later. And that is what has been happening with me. Greek yogurt is fabulous. I love me a Greek yogurt. No sugar added, none of that. I added my own thing. So I love to add blueberries. Sometimes I'll add a little blackberry. I'll put a little honey. I might add like a little granola or some sort of nuts into it. And for me, that's like pretty desserty for me. Like, if I eat that, I've had dessert for the day. And what's gonna happen is, like, your body will start to heal, because that's literally, again, what happened to me. You stop craving all of these bad foods that your body got so used to eating. Like, somewhere your body has been trained that you need this sugary cookie every single day. That was me, girl. Like, I needed to be released from the shackles of needing some sweet after every meal. It was getting a bit ridiculous. And you're talking to someone who, back then, when I was a lot more healthier, I didn't even touch desserts like that. It wasn't in my, I didn't think about it because I didn't introduce it into my life like that, if you get what I'm saying. But then I started to. Right? Life, environmental things, all these different things play a role in it. Maybe at your job, they're having desserts every single day. And listen, the workplace be the hardest place. Like, I swear, the workplaces, they be setting you up to have a big ass gut, okay? They be wanting you to fail. Because why y'all bringing cookies every single day? I ain't seen a piece of fruit walk through this door. And when I do see a piece of fruit, why it look like that? It don't look good. It don't look appetizing. The cookie looks better. Of course, I am going to get the cookie. How to discipline yourself. You have to have discipline. You have to have control. You have to tell yourself no. Because when you tell yourself yes, you are actually harming yourself. And we don't want that. We are trying to heal ourselves and we're trying to get better. So eating in a portion control is something that I also had to get back to. It's not even things I had to learn. Again, I lived that life once upon a time, but I fell off from that life. So eating smaller meals throughout the day, that's what I do now, and I love it. Like, I love having smaller meals throughout the day instead of like one big old meal, whole bunch of calories, all the wrong things, making me super, super full, heavy, feeling weighted, going to sleep right after, waking up feeling awful. Learning portion control will really help your gut, and it will help train your body to know, like, okay, it's feeding time and we eat this much. We don't eat a whole slew of things. Get that portion control under control, because sometimes, a lot of times actually, that's half the battle. Like, you could actually be enjoying a lot of the things that you like, but why are you enjoying a full plate of that? Girl, you're enjoying 5 servings in one sitting and then turning around a couple hours later and eating it again as leftovers. I don't know where this idea that, like, if we half our food, eat some now, eat some later, that we somehow have halved the calories. No, girl, you still ate 5,000 plus calories for the day. Like, in those two meals. And so, and unless that's purposeful, that's not what we're doing, babe, okay? To heal our gut, that's not what we're doing. So don't view this as a diet, view this as a lifestyle change, and eventually your body will get used to it. Like, I don't crave the same things that I used to crave. I don't eat the same way that I used to eat. So naturally my brain is wired that way now. It used to be wired to, like, want all this dessert and cookies and all these things, and now I don't. Make sure you're exercising. Make sure you are working out, doing something. I'm not going to tell you what kind of workouts to do, girl. I'm not trying to get in your business, your life, nothing like that. But make sure you are exercising. That is also going to help. I introduced working out about 3 to 4 times a week into my lifestyle. And some of those days it was just a simple walk, 3-mile walk. Sometimes I do 6-mile walk depending on what, you know, how I'm feeling for the day, but just simply walking could help. So yeah, make sure you're getting your water intake in as well. Drink water, a little bit of salt and lemon for minerals, electrolytes, all of those things. Like, these are all the things that are going to help heal your body. In the first month, I would tell you, like, fully peel back and just cut off cold turkey. Do it for you. Know what your end goal is, know what you want, and have faith that, like, this is going to work in the end. It took me a long time to get back to this point, and you think I want to go back to where I was before? I absolutely don't. I love where I'm at right now. I'm continuing on this journey, and I'm sharing it with you guys. If you go back to some of my other videos, I didn't look the healthiest, you know. I wasn't the healthiest, and I was acting like I was, and I had to come to the realization that, girl, we're not healthy right now. We don't feel well. We're not well. So we need to focus and pour into ourselves. And I want the same for you. If you know you are not well, you don't feel well in your body, you are looking to do something different, you want to change, of course, seek a doctor, and then check out some of these things that I have actually recommended. I will have, again, everything listed in the description box below. But gut healing and gut health, like, it's right here, babe. All you gotta do is choose to reach out and grab it. Stop talking about it and be about it. I used to always talk about, oh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. No, now I just take action and I do it, and I don't even tell anybody about it. I just do it, and you have to be the same way. I feel like a lot of us know what to do, but you need that person to just, like, girl, like, knock you out real fast. Like, come on, wake up, babe. Like, wake up, let's go. You need that accountability coach, and I am that person for you. So again, hit that subscribe button because you want to keep up. I will have many other tips, advice, all of the things for you guys, because some of y'all, we are all on this journey together. Nobody has it all figured out. To anybody that is struggling or has struggled before and found solutions, let's share. Put in the comment box, what do you do, what have you done? Share with me. I love to be introduced to new brands of things. I hope that this video helped you guys. I hope that this inspired you to get up and want to make the changes. If you aren't already, if you are, congratulations, keep going. That is a big step, okay? It is not small, it is not taken lightly. It is a huge step to pour into yourself and to want to change. It is hard. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it, and it's not easy at all. But I know that it's possible, and I want that for you guys. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. Again, questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment box. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next vibe.